Hey guys, how's it going? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions, and in today's video, we're going to be going onto Google and using our free website to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos, just like in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's jump in and get it on. Okay, here we are. This is the free website. It's called Canva. The link will be in the description down below, canva.com. Now you're going to need to sign up with an email. Once you've done that, it'll bring you to this screen right here. Now to create a thumbnail, what you're going to do is go up to create a design. Now they have presets that you can use. So you just type in YouTube. And look at all of the presets that you can use. We're just going to be doing a thumbnail today, so click on thumbnail. On your left, there are a load of presets that you can use. You can find whichever one fits your type of niche, your content. Or you can create one from scratch, which we're going to do right now. This is the blank document. Now I'm going to make a thumbnail for a Mafia game called Mafia Definitive Edition. So I've already got my images that I've downloaded in my downloads folder. So to upload them to here, this is what we're going to do. You're going to go over to the left, you can click uploads. And you're going to go upload media. Alright, so I am now in my downloads folder. This is the image I want to use. So we're going to open it. There it is right over here. It's loading in. Now you're just going to scale it up. Now I want to add the title. I've just taken another PNG of the game's official title, so upload that the same way. So upload media and go to your downloads folder and locate it, which is right here. Once it has uploaded, you're going to click and drag into your timeline. Now, if this is going to be an episodic series, a playlist, so part 1 to whatever number you're going to get to, what you're going to do is just add a text in, so you can use whatever you want. I'm just going to use add heading. Part 1. Now, if you want it to match this, because obviously you can't see the black through that, you're just going to go up to your text tool up here and press whatever color you want. Part 1. And if you want to put a border around your thumbnail, I think it just looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. What you're going to do is just go to elements and you're going to get pretty much a hollow or transparent shape, which is this. So obviously it's recently used for me, so to locate it, it's going to be in shapes and lines, and you're just going to go see all, and there it is right there. You're going to use one of these. We use this one for now. Beautiful rounded off edges. And you're just going to scale it out. That's an example, but as you can see, I would have went with a more of a square one if you come to think of it. But yeah, if you want to change the color, just click on the square once. It's going to go up here to the left, click the color, and choose the color which you want. So I'm keeping everything white right now, so a white border. Little tip, if you want to add a border, I would recommend that you put the border last after you've put all your other layers, otherwise you won't be able to click on, say, the title or even readjust the photo without changing its position. So I would recommend that you add the border last. Then once you're done, what you're going to do is go to download, put it as a PNG, suggested, or you can put it as JPEG, whichever one you want, and then download, and it'll come up in your downloads folder, and then you can upload it to YouTube. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll be back with some more videos very soon. See you later.